Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Dick, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to fix 0 views on TikTok. Right, if you post a video on TikTok and it's still having 0 views for a long period of time, then there's a problem with that video, and I'm going to show you how you can fix it. And this could help you for all your videos as well, so when you post a video you can get views. All right, so let me take you to my profile. All right, so I have just this one video on my profile and it has 14 views. All right, so what I'm just going to do now is to open this video. So this is the video. I have views on the video. All right, 14 views on the video, but I want to show you in case if you don't have a view on your video, this is how you can fix it. Now if you open your video just like this, click on the 3 dots at the right hand side of your screen, and then at the bottom of your screen you'll find all these options, these icons down there. Now just scroll right and you find this option, privacy settings. Tap on the privacy settings and you see this option right here, who can watch this video. Now as you can see, mine is set to be everyone, so everyone on TikTok could see and watch this video. But if it's set to be only me, just like this, then only you can be able to see this video and it won't get views from other people. All right, so make sure that that this is set to be everyone, so that everyone on it will be visible to everyone on TikTok and they can be able to watch it. So I think this is the problem why you are not getting views on your video. All right, so and another one is why uploading this video. You made a mistake while uploading your video. Now let me show you. If you want to upload a video that can get views from other people, click on the plus sign at the bottom of your screen and then select the video you want to upload. For example, if I want to upload, let's say this, I'm going to click on next, and then I'm going to have to scroll down and click on more options, and then all right, not here. All right, so it's right here. So you see this option, who can watch this video, this one right here. Click on it and you find all these options right here. Make sure you don't select only me. Make sure it's not set to be only me. Make sure it's set to be everyone, so that everyone on TikTok can be able to see this, your post, and watch it. So once that is selected or set to be everyone, then just go ahead and click on post. Now once it's posted, then everyone on TikTok can see this your video and watch it. Then it can be able to get some views for you. So guys, this is how you can fix 0 views on TikTok. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, give this video a like and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.